Hi, in this video I will show you how you can install and use the basic features of our extension Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM. To install the extension, go to your Zoho CRM and click on Setup. Then, under Marketplace, click on All. Search for Easy OneDrive. You will see the extension developed by Insta Web Works. Click Start Free Trial. Read the terms and click Continue. Click Agree. Then click Authorize and continue to install. Now select Install for all users. The installation may take a little bit of time. After the installation is finished, click Save. It will redirect you to the Settings page. The first thing you have to do is authenticate OneDrive and Zoho. Click on Authenticate OneDrive. Select your account. Once the authentication is completed, do not close the pop-up immediately. Minimize it first and check whether OneDrive has been authenticated successfully. After confirming the authentication, you can close the pop-up. Now click on Authenticate Zoho. Choose Production and click Save. Check whether the authentication is verified. After it is verified, you will see the Module Settings section. Here, you can see that we have 5 modules by default: Leads, Contacts, Accounts, Deals, and Campaigns. Whenever a lead or any other record is created in these 5 modules, a folder will be created automatically in OneDrive. If we go to OneDrive, you can see that one main folder has been created for Easy OneDrive EXT. If we open this folder, we can see 5 folders for the 5 respective modules. Now, if I come back to the Settings page and check the folder structure, this is where we define the naming convention for the folders. From here, you can also decide whether you want to create subfolders or not. Let me change the folder structure. I will press Shift and 3 on my Windows computer to select a field. First, I will select First Name. Then I will press Shift and 3 again and select Last Name. You can also create subfolders. I will create one subfolder and name it Inbox. Then I will add another subfolder and name it Invoices. Inside Invoices, I will add another subfolder named 2024. Then I will press Shift and 3 again and select Last Name. Now I will click Save. Click Agree. Now, if I go to the Leads module and create a new lead, the extension will create the folder structure automatically. I will create a new lead now. For the last name, I will enter Test Last Name. For the first name, I will enter Mahadi. Then I will click Save. Now, if I go to OneDrive, I should see a new folder created with the first name and last name. Inside that folder, I should see the 2 subfolders we created earlier. Inside the Invoices folder, I should also see another subfolder with the year and the last name. This is how the folder structure works. Now, if I come back to the CRM record and click on Easy OneDrive, I can see the Related List widget. Here, you can see the Inbox and Invoices folders, just like the folder structure we set up in the extension settings. Now we can upload files directly from the Related List widget, and those files will be uploaded to OneDrive. Let me upload a picture and a PDF file. In Grid View, you can see a small preview of the files. We also have List View. You can search for items such as inbox or invoices. You also have options like rename, copy, cut, download, open in OneDrive, external share link, and delete. For example, I can change the file name and click Rename. Now, if I go to OneDrive and refresh the folder, I can see that the file name has been changed successfully. You can also delete any item from the widget. If I delete the file from here, it will also be deleted from OneDrive. You can also sync CRM attachments from here. First, I will upload a file to the Attachments section. Then I will click on Settings inside the widget. Now I will click Sync Attachments. The file from the CRM Attachments section will be downloaded and uploaded to the OneDrive record folder. This is how you can install Easy OneDrive for Zoho CRM and use its basic features.